Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce at home without Maida. First, let's choose our thickening agent. Instead of traditional all-purpose flour, we'll use a gluten-free alternative like rice flour or cornstarch. This substitution is key to achieving a delicious, Maida-free sauce. You'll find it creates a wonderfully smooth texture, perfect for many recipes. Now, let's combine our base ingredients. Start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter or a neutral oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, slowly whisk in 1 cup of cold milk or vegetable broth. It's crucial to add the liquid gradually while continuously whisking to prevent any lumps from forming. This step ensures a silky smooth foundation for your sauce. Next, we'll thicken and flavor our sauce. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of your chosen alternative flour. Continue to cook and stir constantly over medium-low heat. The sauce will gradually thicken to a creamy consistency within about 3 to 5 minutes. Finish by seasoning with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a small pinch of nutmeg to enhance its rich flavor. This Maida-free white sauce is incredibly versatile. You can use it as a base for creamy pasta dishes, a binder in vegetable gratins, or a topping for comforting casseroles. It also complements chicken, fish, or steamed vegetables beautifully. For an extra layer of richness, stir in about 1/4 cup of your favorite grated cheese just before serving. Enjoy your homemade, healthy sauce.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.